Yeah, I think after listening to all this, I want to know a bit more about ShabdAI. So if you can tell, what is it a little more in detail, I think it'll really be great.
Oh, that's our baby, so we love to talk about it. We're proud
I'm
parents
sure.
show off all the time. Yeah, so ShabdAI is we are a content creation and translation organization, and what we do is that we make vernacular content available in across all 22 Indian languages as well as Arabic. And we
Okay.
have the capability to work across all media formats. So we can do text, we can do audio, we can do video, we can do text to audio, video to video, text to video, across all possible permutations and combinations and languages that you can imagine. We have that. And
Yeah.
how we do it is that we have a very interesting model that we use, which is what we call a productized service model. So what we are
Okay.
doing there is that because in vernacular content, AI has limitations of accuracy, and that anybody who has ever used, any translation engine would know that the level of accuracy is very, it's not 100% for sure. So what we do is that we have a layer of human quality control where we make sure that the product that we give, the output document, is thoroughly checked, and we ensure consistency with the brand guidelines, with the hyper localization, contextualization, all of that. And we
Okay.
use AI where possible to make the process more efficient. And we have a huge backend team, very strong backend team, which has who we call native language linguists, or
Okay.
NLM, who are our language experts. So then we go to them to make sure that the content is authentic, it is localized, it is contextualized. And what is really interesting about our team is that to bring in that local flavor, we actually have people who are staying in currently 20 different cities across India.
Wow.
Yes. So
Amazing.
it's fabulous that you actually get that local flavor into the work that we create.
Yeah, correct.
And
Yeah.
we have expertise across multiple domains and industries. So banking, finance, insurance, then manufacturing, then even government bodies,
Wow.
uh, agriculture. And we have done work, the social sector, we have done work across all these industries.
Very interesting.
So just to add to what Swati said, I think our product is our service, because we come from the corporate sector. You know, we understand what the client. We've been on the other side. So today, when you when we go and interact with clients, we exactly understand their pain point and we
Yeah.
understand the gaps. So that's one big advantage that we are able to fill in from Shabd AI perspective. That's number one. Second, what we've done is, like Swati mentioned, we've done multiple formats available, made multiple formats across multiple platforms available to people.
Yeah.
So any format, any platform, like we recently did, social media post for Karnataka Day, Kerala Day, and the ethos of that, or the basic of that message was kept in perspective, especially when you were translating, because we have people from, the and it's end of the day the message going out from the brand, so you have to be very very particular what is the
Yeah.
message, and keeping the overall perspective of the messaging that goes out. So that's the second part. The third part is that verticalization. So what we've done is we've created, we have subject matter experts across these domains. So when
Okay.
you talk about, say, for example, we are working with the insurance company, we understand the lingo, we understand. So the learning curve is much shorter with us, with Shabd
Yeah.
AI, because our people, translators, are from that domain. And therefore we align the resources there, so it's the efficiency is much more. There is literally very less reason for an error, which again is taken care of by the quality control, and
Yeah.
because you bring in that human intelligence, because you have a very strong hybrid model available. And
Correct.
also because at the end of the day, there are a lot of things that are confidential
Yeah.
when you're
Correct.
translating. implementing. So then you also look at the aspect whether you really want to use the AI tool or whether you want to go for human translation. So there are multiple permutations and combinations. So that's what ShabdAI does essentially, and which is why we've seen phenomenal growth in the last few months that we've been in existence, because
Yeah.
that's what we bring to the table.
Yeah, I think in addition to what you both said, I mean, just to put it all in together, I think your foundations are very strong, like you said, trust, respect, which is very important. Plus, you also have the processes in place, to create this entire thing. And that combination is something, which works very well when you're set out with a goal in mind. So, yeah, very, very interesting conversations we are having here.